Okay, let's commence our journey by creating a basic clustered column chart. I've already done that, and all I did was to click the insert button up here, recommended charts. I accepted the recommendation in this case and I clicked OK. Now I see down here that the age does not appear. That's because the differential between the size of the age numbers and the salaries is too great, so I will need to insert a secondary axis. Before we do that, I go to click down here on the series 1 and 2 and go to the chart design tab there, and I say select data. What that does, it enables me to edit the names of the series. So for series 1, which is going to be the age, I'll type in age and OK, and then for the series 2 I'll edit that to salary, and when I click OK, there I see that my series have been renamed, rather more easy to follow. Now what I need to do is to select the chart for the secondary axis. To do that, I change the chart type, and when I see the chart type I need to click on the link combo, and what I want to do here is to make a secondary axis for series 1 and leave series 2 as it is. But I need to change the chart type. For series 1 I want a line, and for series 2 I want to leave as the clustered column. Then I click secondary axis, and when I choose OK, there I see that my secondary axis has been suitably entered onto the chart. Now comes the object of our endeavours. If I add more information to the chart, let's say we have Bill Smith. Bill is the ripe old age of, we'll say, 45, and his salary is $56,000, and his telephone extension is 783. Now when I click outside of the chart and the data, I notice that the chart has not been updated automatically. I would have to go back and change various settings, which takes too long. So all I need to do, after I delete Bill Smith, all I need to do is to convert the data to a table. So I'm going to click anywhere in the data and choose Insert Table. Where is the data for the table? Yes. The table has headers? Yes. And I click OK. Now I see my data is selected, and now I'm going to add Bill Smith again. Bill Smith, we said he was 45 as I recall, and his salary was $56,000, and his telephone extension was 763, we'll say. Now when I press the tab key, the chart automatically updates. We can see here now that Bill Smith is part of the chart. He was automatically updated. You may well need to rename series 2 and series 1 again, as I showed you previously, because we changed the data types to a table. So that's how it's done. It's not difficult, but by gee, it can save a lot of time. Let's have one more for old time's sake. We'll say Anne Brown. Anne's a youngster, she's only 23. She's on $32,000, and her extension is, we'll say, 611. Now when I press the tab key, watch what happens to the chart. Anne Brown, she has been automatically inserted into the chart. The other beauty about it is when we see the filter button here. If I deselect, we'll say Bill Blogs and Bob French and click OK, they are removed from the chart. So it makes the concept of analysing data very, very easy. We'll remove the filter by clicking the Remove Filter button, watch the chart, click OK, and everybody, whoops, my apologies, remove the filter, clear the filter from name, and everybody has been put down into the chart again. So remember to subscribe unless you've already done so. Likes and comments are very much appreciated. By the way, if you do subscribe, click the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be automatically advised of up and coming training videos for Excel and Word. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.